Hi everyone, welcome to the 13th video on Python learning series for network engineers. In this video we'll see some details about string methods. I'll be using previous script itself for this demo as well. So in the previous video we have used a string method called strip. What it does is it removes the starting and end spaces from a string. So we'll try to remove this from the script. I'll save the config. Now I'll show the file which I'm referring for opening the device list. This 09 devices. I'll open this file. I'll add some space here. I'll save it and we'll try to execute the script now. Python 09. So in the print statement there is no issues, but as I have mentioned in the previous video, it added additional /n here. We'll see the rest of the command, how it executes with space. Yeah, I'm getting error here from paramiko library. It says name or service not known. So in these kind of cases you might need to remove additional spaces from the strings. So I'll show how to do that. Either we can do it in both entities where you use the RTR object. So here and inside paramiko also will be using RTR. We'll save it and execute. I'll reduce the sleep time here. So that it will execute a bit faster. Yeah, now it is getting connected. So now what it does, it removes the additional spaces from the text while executing the script. Another way to use this is, you don't have to go and give in each place. What you can do, inside for loop you can give RTR equal to RTR dot strip. So once we give it, in every places where we call RTR, it will do a strip. Now we'll try to execute again. Yeah, it is working. Now we'll see some details about string methods. For that I'll go to my Python interpreter. There I'll type str help str. There are a lot of methods available for string. So one method which we used, I'll show you. So capitalize, center, count, encode, and switch. Even description also will be given here. Is digit is lower, that is certain conditions, it calls boolean. So in the upcoming videos we will see the details about boolean as well. Join lowercase, it converts this into lowercase, and lstrip will strip the leading white spaces from the string, and rstrip is there. Another, yeah, rstrip will remove trailing white spaces. Then yeah, strip what we use now will remove both leading and trailing white spaces. So we'll see one more example for that. Then upper will convert all the letters to uppercase. We'll see some details about that. I'll create two objects here. So one I'll call device equals, I'll add some spaces, R1, yeah, and DC, I'll call DC01. Now host, I'll call device plus DC, 15 DC. You can see some spaces here in R1. So to remove that, what you can do, device dot, I'll remove first left side spaces. So I'll do lstrip. See, it removed left side spaces now. If I do only right side strip, it removes only that. Now if I do complete strip, it removes all the spaces. If you want to make a device name in capital letters, what you can do is dot upper. Now you can see it stripped the additional spaces, then it converted the R1 to capital letter. Now if you want to make the whole text into capital letter, what you can do, dot upper. Now complete data became capital letter. Now to check the methods and attributes supported by each object, what you can do, first we'll see what is the type of the object. Device, it says it is a string. Now to see the methods and attributes, what we can do is dir device. So here you can see all the methods it supports. We checked strip, lstrip, rstrip, etc. If you're interested, you can try all these combinations. Another way to check string method is we'll go to help. Here I'll give topics here. So what it is saying, give topics. So I'll give topics. Here we can see strings and string methods. So we'll give both. So here they explain about string. You can go through this. And next is string methods. Yeah, here you can see all the methods it supports, and even it shows some syntax. So you can refer all this and do some manipulation in the string. That's all about string methods. I hope this video was helpful for you to understand string methods. In the next video, we'll see how to take configuration backup of routers and switches to the local machine where Python is running. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.